Welcome to Healing Heart's official channel Crescent Moon. Open Book, your ultimate destination for health, fitness, spirituality, and self-improvement. Herb Sparkles. Discover secrets of a healthy lifestyle through expert tips on fitness and nutrition. Explore the spiritual wisdom of Islam and how it connects to well-being. Uncover Quranic insights. Learn amazing psychological facts that can transform your mindset. Get inspired by Islamic teachings that enhance personal growth. Unlock the power of meditation, mindfulness, and self-discipline. Gain knowledge that empowers you to live a stronger, healthier, and more fulfilling life. This channel is dedicated to spreading the beauty of Islam through authentic knowledge, inspiring reminders, and spiritual guidance. We share Quranic teachings, hadith explanations, Islamic history, motivational lectures, and discussions on faith, prayer, and personal development. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find peace. Quran 13:28.